Hey guys, it's Michael from My Account Beans. The purpose of this playlist is to help you, the small business owner, do your own bookkeeping in Xero. If you like these videos, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. First step is you want to scroll down to here where it says bills you need to pay. Click on that link. It's going to take you into the purchases overview. Just briefly to explain what this means, draft is bills that have not yet been finalised. These have no effect on the accounts. They're purely in draft. Awaiting approval is a great feature if you have multiple people in your business and you want to separate levels of approvers. So for example, you can post a bill, they can go into the system, another person can then come in here and approve the items awaiting approval, and then another person again can post the bills for payment in the awaiting payment section. So let's go click on awaiting payment now. Okay, this is the awaiting payment section of Xero. So briefly to help you navigate this, here's a couple of features you've got available to you. So you can search for a bill by using the search function or the date range, or down the bottom here you can just scroll down and view them. You can also filter bills by clicking on from, and that way you can search them by different suppliers. For starters, I'm going to show you how we just create a single bill payment. So we click on PC complete. Let's say we want to pay this bill today. It's always good to have attachment of the invoice attached to the bill. That way you can read the bank details directly across the invoice. Then you would go into internet banking, pay the transfer and attach the EFT to here. And then you come down the bottom after you've done the banking, click on the date you've paid it and the bank you paid it from, and click add payment. That's a simple example of how you pay a single bill. You can then click on this send remittance to send the remittance to the supplier to let them know you've paid that bill. Okay, now we're going to show you how you pay multiple bills in one go using what's called the batch feature. So down the bottom, you can filter here by just clicking on the from, and that will sort via the name of the supplier. Then you just pick up the two bills you want to pay next to each other, click on make payment, then select the bank you're going to pay it out of, click continue. I just like to put the date up here when you're going to pay it. You should have your BSB and account number details in here, but for this example we won't. Okay, in this final step what you're going to do is you're going to go into your internet banking and transfer $4,500 to Smart Agency. Download the proof of transfer and attach that here. Once that's all attached, you can then click send remittance, and that'll send a remittance to the supplier letting them know how much you've paid and what invoices you've paid off. Okay, finally we're going to show you how you use the plan date feature in Xero. So this is a feature which allows you to set specific dates that you want things paid. For example, here we have the 16th of April as a date that we want to pay these bills, and that is a way of scheduling upcoming payments. This is a really helpful feature if you have multiple people in your business and you have a different person posting the bills than the actual person paying them. Rather than having to email back and forth what bills you want paid, the approver who has the authority will come in here and select the plan date. Then the person who's actually going to post them in the internet banking will go ahead and just post the bills on the date that it's due. Very helpful feature. And that's it guys, that's a full process of paying a single bill, paying multiple bills through batch payment, and also using the plan date function. We hope this was helpful. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed this playlist. If your business is growing and you're finding it's too difficult to do your own bookkeeping, it's time to call an accountant. We'll leave our website in the link in the description below and we'll have a chat and see if we can help you out.